Alright guys, welcome back to another Hot Crypto Bro video. Today is Thursday, February 20th, and we'll be talking about crypto. And I'll also be showing you guys a new website I came across that allows you to short meme coins. So if you guys are interested in that, stay tuned for the whole video. But before we get started any further, I do have to let you guys know this channel here is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. It is a part of educational content. You should always consult a professional for legal advice. Once again, this is not financial advice. Alright guys, welcome back to another Hot Crypto Bro video. If you guys are new here, I'm Crypto Bro, and we make videos about crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all that good stuff. So if you guys are new, make sure to smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel because, we pump out some nice juicy content every so often. So guys, before we get started any further, let's take a look at the price of crypto. All right, we're on on-chain FX. Bitcoin 97,000 again. ETH 2720. XRP 269. Binance Coin 649. Solana back up to 172. So as you guys can see, Bitcoin had a couple green days here on the chart. Solana is still trending downwards on the chart here, guys. That whole meme coin that came out on Solana ended up being a complete rug pull. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, look back a couple videos on this channel. There was the Argentinian president launched a meme coin, ended up being a complete rug pull. So that kind of crashed Solana here for a couple days. This may continue to go down, guys, because the faith in Solana is not looking that good right now. But if you guys want to potentially capitalize on this, there's a site I came across over here. It's called dumpy.fun. That is dumpy.fun. And what it allows you to do is it allows you to potentially short meme coins. As you guys can see, let me zoom in over here. So they got an FAQ over here at the bottom. And before I go any further, I'm not affiliated with this site. I'm not endorsed by them. I just came across this site, so I don't know how legit it is. But yeah, do your own research. You basically come here, connect your wallet, you connect your Phantom wallet, and then let's say you wanted to short something, right? So you got a little bit of Solana over here. You select the coin you want to short. So let's say you want to short this coin over here, right? You think this coin's gonna go down, so you'd come over here and you click dump. But then you gotta make sure that the coin doesn't go to the liquidation price, because if it goes up, then you get liquidated. And remember, the thing with meme coins is while most of them can go down, and they do go down dramatically, they often do have a few spikes here and there. So try this strategy out. You know what I'm saying? At your own caution. You may make money, you may lose money. Once again, this is not financial advice, but if you want to short meme coins, this is the site where you do it. You connect your wallet. You select the meme coin you want to short. Let's say you want to short Chill Guy. Boom, select that. All right, there's the Chill Guy quote price right here. If it goes up to 1750 SOL, then you get liquidated. So I think some of you guys that are pretty talented, you guys will be able to make money with this if you analyze which meme coins are complete scams. The ones that'll end up dumping the most will be the ones without a community. So guys, just remember what makes a coin successful. It's a good community. Dogecoin got a good community. Shiba Inu, Pepe, all these big meme coins, they got good communities, right? So I guess you could look for coins without a good community. Look for some rug pulls. Maybe you make money doing this, but maybe you could lose money too. So just remember, guys, this is crypto is extremely volatile. These coins. 1 second they're up, next second they're down. If we go over here to the categories, over here to memes, there's a lot of fluctuation in these coins, guys. So, guys, as you can see, these coins in a day, they could go up 31%. So imagine you were shorting this coin yesterday. You'd probably get liquidated. So a lot of you traders will lose money doing this, so I'll just be transparent with you guys. You guys have to do this shit at your own risk, man, because a lot of you guys will end up losing money, man. So unless you really know what you're doing, I wouldn't recommend doing this. But yeah, some of you guys out there are going to be more talented than me. You guys are going to have big wallets. You guys are going to have disposable income, and you'll be able to make money shorting these meme coins over here. So yeah, check that site out. Once again, the site is dumpy.fun. It's going to be dumpy.fun. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not endorsed by them in any way. But yeah, if that's how, if that's what you're into, you guys can make money doing it. You know what I'm saying? Potentially. Or you could lose money too. So just remember that, guys. Some of these meme coins go up like crazy. You guys see this? Look at this, guys. So we're on coinmarketcap.com/view/memes. This coin Broccoli It's up 800% in the week. And it's only worth 36 million. You guys see this? $36 million market cap. So that's relatively low. This coin could go up a lot more. So be careful shorting the wrong coin. A lot of these coins go up, guys. A lot of these coins go up. Let's see if there's anything going down too drastic. Oh, you guys see that? That's that scam coin right there, Libra. That's the one that we were talking about. So yeah, 80% dump in 7 days there. Let's see. Let's look at the chart here. Oh man, this is a rough looking chart, bro. I'm pretty much dumped instantly. Look at that. Price was $1. Oh, look at that. And it just dumped, bro. Look at that. Another spike. Look, they pumped it up again. Look, crazy manipulation in some of these coins. You could probably make money with this one too if you were like an insider and you bought right now at 20 cents and you wait for the next time they pump it up to $1. Man, it's crazy right there. Look, the rating's 2.4. That's funny as hell. It is. That's crazy. Let's see if these guys actually have a website. Let's see. Let's click on this website here, guys. All right, driving the future of freedom and growth. All right, this looks like a Wix website. No offense to Wix, because you know there's some nice people that work for that company, but it's like you just made this in like 36 seconds. It's like holy shit. Apply for funding. The apply for funding is a Google form. That is crazy. Yeah, that should have been the dead giveaway. You know, when you click apply for funding and it takes you to a Google Doc. Come on, bro. And then for any questions or concerns, email this project at gmail.com. Bro, what are you talking about? You guys have a domain. You couldn't put a custom email here? Damn, look at this. They literally built a site in like 36 seconds. Put a photo here. All right, guys, let's put a couple more photos here so it looks nice. We believe in the ability of Argentinians to build their own future. See, a bunch of words and shit. Look at this shit. Man, it's easy in crypto to do this. I'm predicting it here, guys. A lot of other countries, a lot of scam guys are going to see what happened. They're going to see this guy made a lot of money with Libra, and they're going to try repeating this. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a coin for France, Switzerland, Denmark, Australia, you know, New Zealand. You know, who knows if there's going to be a North Korean coin, and the coin's for the North Korean people. You just never know what's going to happen in crypto, guys. So, guys, Crypto Bro here, signing out. Hope you guys like this video. Comment, subscribe. More videos coming soon.